All right, so we got up a little early, but we're gonna fish this tournament today out on the Mighty Ohio, and looks like there's a good turnout already, but we're gonna get the boat in the water and hopefully catch some fish today. It's me and old Stove and Oven. Where you go? Is that in my leg? Is that in my leg? Oh my.
Go ahead and cut the hook off that thing, dude.
Oh my God. Oh! Oh, come on. Eat it. Eat it, eat it, eat it. On, because my battery's already down 68. Damn, it's stuck in there.
Nope. 11 and an 8.
Damn. Oh yeah. I can't believe he tried to fucking eat that, dude. He's as big as the back. Oh, he's down the Oh no. Oh yeah. Oh, that's a good one, Steven.
Sure, get the net, get the net, get the net.
Whoa.
Come on now.
Shoo. That's a keeper for sure.
Yep. Keep moving that. All right. You want to keep fishing? I'll get it.
Oh. Fuck. Well, you've already fucking. That was fast. It was a spotted bass on it. I don't know, it had weird lines on its belly or on its side. Top one. Oh, that's a good one. That's a good one. That's a good one, Steven. Oh, that's a good one. That's a good one.
Keep him down, keep him down.
No. That's a good one, Steve.
I'm good over here. Bring him over here. Bring him up. Bring him up. No.
Woo! God, that scared me.
You're having the fucking 2 hooks.
Hold him up.
Measure him real quick. Be safe. I know he's a keeper. Yep, he's 13.
Let's go, dude. Dude, I got scared. I got scared whenever you missed that net. I was like, oh my God, it didn't matter, but I was scared. I was scared. I was like, oh, because he dove last second. Somebody.
It's always nice, like fucking.
Are you on?
I think so, yeah. No, maybe not. I don't fucking know at all. It feels so weird. Yeah, I'm on.
Okay.
I think there might be a drum or something there. No?
It's a small bass. I'd say he's 10 inches. 9.
So fucking weird.
That's my guess. 9 inches. Maybe I should switch to that. Maybe I should switch to the.
Probably.
Okay.
God damn it, these motherfuckers, man.
I'm getting it all on video.
Alright.
I'll switch. I'm gonna make the switch.
These little ones are the fucking worst. This one over his dad and let him eat it.
Change midday. Looks like a fish just hit topwater right here. And I gotta set my brake immediately to this. There it goes. Oh my god.
Oh my god, awesome. Oh my god.
Keep him up.
Oh my fucking god.
Keep him down. Keep him down. Keep him down. Oh my god.
Oh my fucking god.
Keep him down. Keep him down. Oh, let's go. Let's go.
This motherfucker.
Oh my god. Keep him in the. Oh. Holy shit. Oh my god.
Get him in the
Dude, I'm
bottom.
drawing.
Get him in here.
Oh my god, dude. Holy shit. Good fish. Holy hell, good fish. That's all on video too. Holy shit, good fish, Steven. Oh my god.
Dude, I didn't know they made them this big.
Oh shit.
Dude. Alright, open that fucking.
Hold him up. Hold him
I'm
up.
fucking shaking, man.
Oh my god.
Look at that.
Oh shit. Holy hell, Steven. Good catch, dude. Wow. Holy shit. Dude, I'm bleeding.
Oh my god, dude. I gotta fucking call somebody now.
Holy hell. Holy shit, dude. I'm pumped.
I'm calling Ron. Autumn.
I can't. Look at this gar right here. Oh, he's going for my bait.
Holy shit, he's got it. No fucking shit. You gotta, you gotta eat it.
Just happy. Are you on again?
No, he's not.
Boat flip? Okay. Okay.
Imagine another one like that, dude.
Oh my god. We'd be good.
They would really accuse us of cheating.
Oh.
Oh, there you go. Here you go. Come over here. I don't think he's gonna cheat, but most of that.
I think he's 10 inches, my guess. That's one video. Sorry.
Yeah, he's got keep. Check it anyways.
I don't even think he's. Yeah, he's literally 10 inches. That would have been nice. That would have been a nice 12-incher there.
At least we know these baits are fucking working, man.
Yep. All right, guys, we made it to our last spot. We got 2 hours of the tournament, and we got some fish in the bag, but we'd like to catch 2 more to make it a limit. So let's see what we can do. We at least know we have a good chance of catching some of that timber if we're there. With 3 good river fish in the bag, we're feeling lucky, but this last spot was not it. So we're gonna head back to the boat dock and see how well we did. All in all, we did pretty good. We were in the money, but we didn't exactly win. But we was in the money for big bass. Steven caught the big bass. Now we're watching Auburn play. But that's it. That's all she wrote.